Welcome to Plant a Garden TV, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you what is going on with these seedlings, and I'm going to explain why some of the seedlings is leggy and the others is doing pretty well. All of these seeds have set on the same day. But what happened is, I was trying to see why these seedlings, some of them just grow tall and leggy, and some of them just take their time and grow. And what I realized if you have the light too far away from them, it's like they pushing to get the light. And these that I had the light on perfectly, just taking their time and go. But up here, I had the light away from them. And what I noticed they was doing is basically pushing themselves up to receive the light. This is what I believe why all these are so leggy and stringy, but these are growing perfectly. So we got to look into the light system that we're using. We got to make sure we have the light a certain height from them. I will keep the light at least 12 inches away from the seedling. That's how it works for me. So as you can see over here, they're growing pretty well. But over there where I didn't have the lighting, I didn't have the light shining on them, and they was like just shooting up, trying to reach to the light. But while they're shooting up, their body is very thin and stringy. But over here, these are growing perfectly fine. Just want to mention this to you guys. Hope this video could help you. If you have leggy seedlings, peace, love, and blessing.